Hello, good morning student. Welcome back to this science class. Children, as you know, we have completed our chapter 4, that is soil, and today we are doing textbook exercise. So first we will discuss about section A. So in the section A, let us come towards the science quiz. First question is that name the type of the soil that is very good for plant growth. That is only loamy soil because it has capacity to hold the water as well as air both, which are necessary for the growing the plants. Number 2, name the part of the plant that absorbs water and mineral from the soil. You know children, roots are the part which is inside the soil, so it gets water and minerals from the soil. Number 3, name the soil used by potter to make toys and pots. So it is the only clay soil because it has fine particles and it can hold water enough without having space between it. Let us discuss about the worksheet of textbook. First, it will be done only in the textbook, not required to do in the notebook. So first one, A part, that is MCQs. The heaviest part of the soil. When we have do the experiment that in which what soil contain, what does it contain? So clay, gravel, humus. So heaviest part is the gravel. Number 2, soil contains grains, pulses or water. So we discussed that soil contains air, water, stones, gravels, clay. So here is mentioned only water, so we have to tick mark the C option. Number 3, which of the following lives in soil? They are the names of the animal mentioned: rabbit, lion, tiger. So lion and tiger live in live in den or caves, and rabbit is only which live in burrow, which is in the soil. Under the soil it's formed. Next one is the circle the odd ones. So first one is gravel, sand and plants. So gravel and sand are the composition of the soil. Plants are growing on the plants. It helps to growth of the plant soil. Okay. So we have to mark only plants here because it is odd one here. Number 2, humus, loamy and sandy. So loamy and sandy are the types of the soil, but humus is the composition of the soil which makes the soil fertile. Number 3, earthworm, cat and rabbit. Earthworm and rabbit both live in the soil, but cat not live in the soil. Okay, we have to mark the cat here. Next one is the filling the blanks with the help of given words. First, soil contains dash, clay or light. What does it contain? It contains clay. Number 2, dash is formed by breakdown of rocks. What does it form when the rocks break? It's only the soil formed when the rocks break. Number 3, dash is trapped between the particles of the soil. What is trapped between the particles of the soil? When we performing the test and activity about soil shows air in it, means कि soil show करता है कि उसके अंदर air presence है. When we pour water over the soil, the bubbles form. It shows the air trapped inside the soil which escaped when we pour water over it. So air is trapped between the particles of the soil and wind blow करती है. Okay. Now number 4, it takes dash years to form soil. How much years to dash? It takes few years to form the soil or many years. So it takes many years. It takes millions of years to form the soil. Number 5, earthworms are called farmer's friend. So sorry children, I have already told you the answer, that is the earthworm. Next we will discuss about the section B MCQs. First one is, we see dash at the bottom of the jar. When we conduct that activity, तो उसमें था कि सबसे बॉटम में कौन सी चीज़ होती है? दैट इज़ ग्रेवल. ग्रेवल आर द स्मॉल स्टोन्स. जो छोटे स्टोन्स होते हैं वी कॉल्ड इट ग्रेवल्स. So we have to tick mark the A option. Number 2, we see dash in between the layer of clay and gravel. So gravel is the heaviest. Above the gravel there is the largest particle which we call as sand. So in between the clay and gravel, sand layer is there. So we have to tick mark the C option. Next is we discuss about the very short question answer. So children, science quiz, and from section B part, we have to do it only in our notebook. You will not mention the answer in front of the questions. आपको क्वेश्चन के आगे आंसर मेंशन नहीं करना है. Even you have to do this exercise in your notebook. First question is, what does soil contain? So soil contains, very good, I know you all know the answer, that is gravels, sand, clay and humus. So it contains four things, major four things. Gravel, they are the small stones. Sand, they are the larger particles. Then the clay, it is the fine particles. And humus, humus is the unclear water above which the twigs and the leaves are floating over the water. So number 2, name the animal that loosens the soil. वो कौन से animals है जो soil को loose करते हैं? जो animals inside the soil रखें, they are the animals. So you can write there the earthworms. Number C question is short answer questions. What is humus? It is very important questions. So children, humus is remains of dead plants and animals mixed with water, mixed with soil, sorry, it is mixed with soil. ये क्या होता है, जो एनिमल्स और डेड प्लांट्स होते हैं उनके क्या होते हैं, अवशेष बोलते हैं ना, कुछ पार्ट्स रह जाते हैं, उनको जब सॉइल में मिक्स हो जाता है तो ह्यूमस फॉर्म होती है. इट इज़ डार्क कलर पिगमेंट. वो किस कलर में होता है, डार्क कलर में, डार्क ब्राउन कलर में होता है. नाउ नंबर 2, वाई इज़ लोमी सॉइल गुड फॉर ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स? ये लोमी सॉइल क्यों गुड होती है लोमी ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स? लोमी सॉइल कंटेन्स अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूमस. उसके अंदर सबसे पहले क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा ह्यूमस होता है विच मेक्स द सॉइल फर्टाइल. नंबर 2, इट कैन होल्ड बोथ एयर एंड वाटर. इसमें दो बेनिफिट्स हैं कि एक तो इसके अंदर ह्यूमस होता है और ये एयर एंड वाटर दोनों को होल्ड करके रखता है बैलेंसली. ओके, नेक्स्ट है डी क्वेश्चन, दैट इज लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इज सॉइल फॉर्म्ड, कि सॉइल फॉर्म कैसे होती है? सो सॉइल इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ रॉक्स इनटू टाइनी पीसेस. फर्स्ट द रॉक्स क्या होता है, टाइनी पीसेस में ब्रेक हो जाते हैं. एंड रॉक्स आर हीटेड बाय द सन एंड कूल्ड बाय द कोल्ड वेदर एंड ब्रेक द रॉक्स इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस. वो सन से हीट होते हैं और कोल्ड वेदर से ठंडे होते हैं, और जिससे कि वो स्मॉल पीसेस में ब्रेक हो जाते हैं. एंड द स्मॉल पीसेस रब अगेंस्ट ईच अदर टिल दे फाइनली बिकम द टाइनी पार्टिकल ऑफ सॉइल. और वो तब तक रब होते रहते हैं जब तक कि वो टाइनी पार्टिकल्स नहीं बन जाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द वे टू फॉर्मिंग द सॉइल. It is a continuous process and very slow process. It takes millions of years to form the soil. Number 2 long answer question is how will you show that the soil contains water? कि आप कैसे बताओगे कि soil में water होता है? So we have to write the activity here that take some soil in a container, cover it with a lid. एक ढक्कन लगाना है. The heat the container for some time. We have to heat the container for some time, थोड़ी देर के लिए. Then you have to open the lid. आप उस lid को open करो. we see drops of water on the lid. आपको drops of water दिखेंगे lid में. this shows that कि soil contains water. ये क्या show करता है कि soil में क्या है, water है. okay, so children, you all will do this exercise in your notebook. Bye bye, take care, thank you.